Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to the Brando Swoll Show, man. What's going down? Check it out. Louis on the range. Louis Vuitton's on the range. You know what I'm saying? So, hey guys, so today's gonna be legendary as fuck. Today we are going to get the brake calipers for my Slingshot. First one in the world to ever do this shit, man. This shit is crazy. I saw them already. Stuff is nuts. It's gonna be crazy. So, let's get over there to Reflection Detail. Pick those up here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And let's get our happy asses back on the way to Scottsdale. Gotta hit the gym, you know what I mean, man? Fuck. Didn't hit it yesterday. I need it today. So let's go.
Yeah. Wait, do you want me to film you? She's gonna come back and stuff.
As you guys can tell, those are reflected, wrapped brake calipers. Nobody in the world has done that to their Slingshot. I promise you that. I'm the first one to do it. Reflection Detail was a part of it, and I can't thank these guys enough. Also, I want to throw out a big thanks to Mr. Organic for leading me to these guys. I see what you're doing down there to your cars, boy. Shit's off the game. Make sure you guys watch him, check him out too. That Trackhawk's about to get nasty.